What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have for you my latest Walmart beauty box. They've changed up the way their packaging looks a little bit, but it's kind of cute. But as I've said before, the Walmart beauty box comes sporadically, periodically, $4 or $5 a month. You never know when it's going to come. It's not quarterly or seasonal, even though usually there's a seasonal theme, but they don't have a particular time that they send them out. They just send you an email asking you to update your information, make sure your current address is correct in their system, as well as making sure your form of payment is correct, of course. But anyways, they will charge you $5, and it's basically for shipping, and there's really no telling what's in this. There's usually not a pamphlet or any kind of card inside that gives you a description or a price. And so basically I'm just going to go through here, show you what I have inside here, and we'll go from there. In the past, I've received anything from makeup to suntan lotion to SPF to bubble bath, lotion, shampoo, just anything beauty or self-care related, healthcare related. And this time they put in a little makeup bag. I have to admit that I don't think that it's very attractive. I think it's a weird taupey color. It's weird in texture. It smells very plasticky and vinyl-y. I know I'm being a snob, but they really could have saved their money. I don't really need a makeup bag with a Walmart symbol on it. Like, I'm being a snob, I know it. But they could have saved the money, in my opinion. There is a little bit of a theme. It's called Hydration Heroes, and I'm assuming it's because it's winter time and we all need extra hydration at this particular point in the year. So I'm just going to grab and tell you about what's in here, tell you if I've used it before and how I feel about the potential of using it. The first one is by Curel. It's called Hydrotherapy. It's Wet Skin Moisturizer. I've used a Jergens brand before and I liked it. It's an extra step that I'm not often willing to take in the shower because I don't have time. But it says, apply daily to experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. Water-activated moisture works deep into skin surface, helps repair moisture barrier with ceramide complex, and immediately absorbs and is completely greaseless. So you know I'm gonna smell it. I don't know if it's sealed inside or not. No, it is not, but it's all good. I'm gonna put it on the top of my hand so you can see the consistency. I don't really smell anything just yet. It doesn't really have a scent. It's not a pleasant scent in my opinion. It's kind of a petroleum jelly kind of smell. And of course it's not supposed to be, it's, you know, put on in the shower and rinsed off, I believe. I'm gonna see without my glasses if I can read what it says. It says apply after showering or bathing, apply to wet skin, glides on smoothly and absorbs immediately. No need to rinse off or wait. So you don't have to rinse it off. I know there's like an Olay one, there's a Jergens one. I've tried both of them. One of them you put on after you get out of the shower while your skin is still wet, and the other one you put on in the shower and you rinse it off. So this one you don't have to rinse off, and I appreciate that. So maybe I will try this. And I mean, I always put on body oil when I get out of the shower, so maybe I'll try that in lieu of my body oil once or twice and see if it's worth it. Next is the Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. It's a detox and brightening mask. It says, I don't even know the brand here. Olay Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. And so it looks to me like the mask itself is going to have a hologram. On the back here it shows a little mask that looks like it is rainbow colored, so I kind of think that might be fun. Maybe I'll do that on a live stream so you guys can see me with a rainbow face. But you guys know I love sheet masks. This one feels almost like one of those jelly masks, which I really love. It might be a paper mask, you never know, but I'll give it a shot. Next is Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean. Grapeseed extract Extract 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. I think this is the name brand version of a facial towelette type washing cloth that Emily Noel talks about. It's by Equate. And I've used those. I don't want to open this because this would be great for travel, but if this is what I think it is, and it looks like it based on what I see here, and what you do, it's got the cleanser in the towelette, and you moisten it with water, suds it up, and then you wash your face with it. One side of it is soft, one has a little bit of a texture, so I think that's what they mean by a scrub, but it gets makeup off, it's very gentle, it doesn't strip the skin, and if it's anything like the ones I've used before, I really like them. I'm going to keep this intact because, like I said, great for travel. It says, for directions, wet cloth and massage in hands to activate a luxurious lather, cleanse face thoroughly, then reuse cloth for a final rinse. Dispose of cloth. Do not flush. But anyway, these are nice, and I've never seen the Olay version. I knew that the one that I have, or the one that I already have now, is a knockoff or a dupe. But I really like those, so I'm glad to have that, and I'm glad to try the Olay one and see if it's necessary to buy the Olay one or if the Equate ones are just as good. Alright, next is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask. 96% naturally derived ingredients, made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, or dyes. It says, find me in the skincare aisle. It feels like a clay mask inside of it. It looks like a single use. And you leave it on for 10 minutes. It says it intensely nourishes and reduces skin's tightness. So, soothing moisturizer mask. Nice. Has a little explanation of the Garnier Skin Active line. No coupon. A lot of times you need to inspect what they have in here because it does have a coupon in here a lot of the time, or they do put a coupon. This is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-Minute Hair Mask and Papaya Extract. I've actually received one of these in the Walmart Beauty Box before. It's in my shower, but I haven't used it yet. I've had so many really nice products through FabFitFun and some of my BoxyCharms and those kind of things. I've had some really good hair products, and I'm working my way through those, so I haven't really had a need to try anything new. And so I will keep this, or I'll pass this along to a friend, but I have always really liked Garnier products, but I haven't tried this one just yet. Another little explanation sheet about the Fructis hair products. It has one for oily hair, dry hair, frizzy hair, and color vibrancy, weak hair. So there's different variations of this mask for different hair types and hair issues. And then finally, another mask from that Sisley, which I don't really know how to say this. This is so cute. My Collagen Hydrogel Lip Patch. And so that's really cute. It says directions: remove hydrogel lip patch from package and apply to clean lips. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove. Pat remaining essence with fingertips to improve absorption. So I like lip masks. My lips are super dry. I treat them like 4 or 5 times a day, literally, with masks and different treatments, different lip balms. And so the only thing that usually I don't like about lip masks is they don't stay. So the fact that this is a gel, it might. Like, I like to sit upright. I don't like to have to lay down to do a mask. So if this ends up being a hit, I'll put it in one of my empties videos. But that's it, folks. That is it for the beauty box. Like I said, sometimes there's samples, sometimes there's full size products, sometimes there's deluxe sample sizes. This time these were all samples aside from the masks, and that's okay with me. I do like to try new products, and I do like to have little sample sizes, especially for traveling, but I will admit that I could have done without this. It was a nice thought, a nice touch, but I could do without it. But that's coming from someone who has 872 makeup bags and who gives them away continually. So that is it for the Walmart beauty box for whatever this seasonal thing is, I guess winter time. if you are interested in getting this beauty box, you can just go to the Walmart website and type in Walmart Beauty Box, and it will give you a place to sign up. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. So, I mean, I'm being a snob, I know, but like they really could have just wasted. So this one does not require rinsing off. I appreciate that. So maybe I will try it. Again, there's an explanation of the different fruit